In this training, we're going to talk about the contacts feature of the ASEA Connect app and how to use it on an iOS or Android device. To the left here, we have our iPad. To access our contacts, we can click on the contact button down here at the bottom. For your first time going to the contacts, it's going to show this screen here introducing the contacts and some of the features that it has. Let's go up here at the top and hit Got It. Now you can see I already have a couple of contacts here synced. If I wanted to bring more contacts over to my ASEA Connect app, I can click on the Sync Device Contacts button here. This next screen is going to ask me, do I want to sync all of my contacts or select contacts? In this case, we're going to select all of my contacts and sync all of them over because I find it easier to organize my list that way and easier to find people. So let's hit Sync All Contacts. The app is going to ask you if you would like the app to access your contacts. You must hit OK. Now that we have all of our contacts over, there's a couple things here that we can show you on how you can organize your list to your advantage here. So there's a couple ways that you can do so. If you wanted to drag a contact to the right, you can mark it as a hot lead, or adversely, dragging it to the left to mark it as a cold lead. You can get to your hot contact list, at least on the iPad here, you have an option for all, hot, or cold. In this case, we can click on the hot button up at the top to get to my hot leads, and my cold button to get to my cold leads. So you can use this as a way to organize your list and kind of stay on top of it. Now, additionally, if there are contacts on here that you need to hide, you can click on the contact, and you have an option here to hide the contact, to remove them from our ASEA Connect list, so that we do not see them. To access your hidden contacts, if you accidentally mark somebody who you shouldn't have hidden, you can access them going to your settings, and you have an option here for hidden and delete. And you can see I have two contacts hidden here, so if I click on that too, I can go up here to the Edit button up at the top, and I can checkbox these. And down here at the bottom, I have an option to unhide. So we can hit back, 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 to get back to our contact list. Now, when you add a new contact into your device, such as meeting an Uber driver for instance, you're going to want to know how to pull to refresh. When you add a new contact to your device, the ASEA Connect app is not going to see it until you pull to refresh. Now all I'm doing here is pulling down on my contact list and letting go, and it's going to refresh my contact list from my device. Now additionally, you do have the option to add a contact right here at the top by hitting the plus icon and adding a contact which will sync to both the ASEA Connect app and your device. Now over here on the Android device, I want to show you real fast on the process. We'll go here and click on Contacts. You have the little introductory. Let's hit Got It. Now you have the option to sync all of your contacts or select contacts. In this case, we're going to hit the select contacts in this example. The app will ask you to access your contacts. You must hit Allow. Now this is where we can go through and we can selectively sync different contacts that we would like to reach out to. Like so. Now that we're done selecting a few contacts, you must go up here and hit the X button. And when you do that, you bring contacts over into your ASEA Connect app that you can reach out to. You can see some contacts here are synced over already because we have marked them as hot and cold. Contacts will sync between devices if you start sharing with them or mark them as hot and cold. That's an important note there. So additionally, the same process applies here. If we click on a contact on the Android app, we have the option to see the notes, and you can also make an edit to that contact as well. Inside of the contact is where you can also mark them as a hot or cold lead, like I'm doing here. And on the Android device, or excuse me, on the iOS device, if I click on Able, we have that option right here at the top of the screen to change their status. And this area will also allow you to get to Share Tools right from this screen. If we click on the Share Tools icon, it's going to take us to this area here and allow us to select a piece of material or a piece of content to share with that contact. and that is the contact feature. If you guys have any questions, please reach us at connect@aseaglobal.com. Thank you.